so the birds are calling for me, I think. I'm always feeding them with sunflower seeds, but now I'm gonna try another one. I've always had this year I've planted the sunflowers, and now I'm gonna see if I can. You see the sunflowers there? We'll see if the birds want to have the seeds from these on the bird table. So let's see if they're gonna eat them. Nice experiment for today. So I'm gonna it's a little bit moister under this one. Gonna leave the camera here and see if they're gonna eat these or they're gonna reject these. Let's see, maybe it's not dry enough. Let's see if there come some birds. Can get them on camera. So there's a lot of birds up and down. Let me see if they ate them. Oi. All gone. A few on the floor, on the ground. But the main part is gone, so we get them some fresh ones and they can finish this one. What I'm going to do with the other ones that I'm drying, I think I'm going to take away the stem because it's not drying on the inside so much. It's too wet here. And even though they've been lying there for, I don't know, 4 weeks in the greenhouse. Well, the birds like them anyway, that's good.